Harry, do you believe that the superintelligence will emerge through scaling larger LLMs, as many companies are betting on nowadays?
I actually think it's going to require more architecture, more design, and thought into the algorithms. I don't think that simple scaling will get us there. I think that LLMs do a great job of learning skills, but the way they learn the skills is by training on data, representing everything on the internet, everything that people have done. And then after that, through a process of human feedback and reinforcement learning, their answers are perfected and skills are taught. The first skill that was taught, most people don't realize this, was language translation. The transformer architecture was designed for that purpose. And it had to be taught how to do it properly because it would make mistakes in the beginning and they'd give it corrections. And after that, people wanted it to be conversation. LLMs don't naturally converse. You have to put them in a loop where you feed back what they say back into them with what the person said, and it keeps building up. And they had to be programmed on how to do that properly, again, through a training process. They also had to be trained to follow instructions. None of this is natural. Every task that the LLMs do, they're trained to do. Programming was another example. So I think they can be trained to learn all kinds of skills which will, in some cases, replace what people do. But it's not that they're going to come up with something new with this present architecture. They'll only be able to learn patterns, skills, and how to do things. The thing that I think interesting is before this, only living things had skills, right? So that's a big difference. I mean, even ants know how to build a hive, but machines didn't know how to build anything until this.
Are they going to know soon?
Well, they do now. They know skills. They just don't teach themselves new skills. And they have other limitations as well. Reasoning is another limitation. Right now, the way they reason is by being given the opportunity to generate a lot of answers, each one somewhat different. And then they have another process which chooses the best answer. So it's not a step-by-step process.